Kaya natin itong ginagawang earthquake theory. This is a simultaneous at quarterly natin ginagawa. But in the city of Baguio, we'll move further than that. Kasi na-observe natin sa Mindanao, luckily, nasa flag ceremony itong anong mga students and even yung mga employees natin at hindi pa sila nakapasok sa isang village. Ang gagawin natin for the succeeding drills, we'll move further. Kasi ang aim natin to come up with these drills is to come up with a muscle memory na duck cover hold, yun pa rin, ang pinaka-safe. Kung ano mang sabihin ng ibang tao, that is the most safest right now na gagawin natin when it comes to kasagsagan ng earthquake during that. And after that, mag-evacuate na tayo at mabilisan dapat yon. Ang target natin in the City Hall alone is around 3 minutes or faster than that para makalabas tayo from the building. After which, meron tayong gagawin later on na paano naman i-deploy ngayon. Paano na pag-pauwi na ng mga employees. Paano natin natatrack yung safety kung saan na itong mga employees natin. Yun ang gagawin nating further drills sa mga susunod. Baguio City is one of the most sophisticated and most highly trained when it comes to disaster management. No? In fact, bine-benchmark tayo ng mga iba't ibang municipalities and even cities. But we let us not be complacent. Ang sabi ko nga, every now and then, hindi po kaya lahat ni LGU, hindi po kaya lahat ni CDRMO. That's why we are preparing up to the level of the community. Dapat pati mga barangays, pati mga household, alam nila ang gagawin nila. Kasi when the real McCoy comes, hindi naman agad-agad makakaresponde ang CDRMO, ang LGU. Kaya dapat na community themselves, alam nila yung gagawin nila.
Puspusan po ang ginagawa ng ating building official, no? To come up with a legalizing yung mga unpermitted structures. Nagkakaproblema lang because of the fees, the cost. Pero ang mantra natin, sinasabi natin, safety doesn't have a cost. So, ang unang hakbang namin, in fact, kagagaling ko lang last week, na-engage natin mga barangays, isang barangay, they're coming up with a program paano mapapabilis, ma-legalize itong mga buildings at definitely ma-check muna yung safety nito. Pero mahirap ang trabaho ng LGU at office. It will all boil down sa behavioral change. Kung yung mere na ginagawa nating mga drills ay hindi nakikiparticipate dito ng barangays, dito ng mga residents and mga communities natin, mahihirapan po tayo kung nandyan na yung totoong earthquake. Kaya po, we are appealing again. We are encouraging na lahat po sana maki-join dito sa ating regular na drills.